No tienes un canal de YouTube, ¿verdad?
¿Eso es cierto?
¡Ay!
Sara, mucho gusto. John Nate.
Sí, Nate, a ver.
Sí, sí, conoce.
So today I'm seeing how many languages I can speak and learn on Omegle. I've got my Wolf of Wall Street here and I'm ready. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Vamos!
Hello, Slovakia. Hello.
Hello, Swedish stuff.
Sweden. Oh, yes. Austria. Hello.
Hello.
Can you teach me some Slovakian?
Why are you trying to find someone in Sweden?
Because you're gonna help me learn Swedish. Will you guys teach me some German?
What do you want now?
What you wanna know?
What do you want?
What's up?
Ako sa mash.
Ani niya.
Oh. All right. What's up?
Hur är det läget?
Oh my God.
Hello, how are you?
Okay. How do I say that?
Hello.
Hur
Hur
är
är. Hello.
Hallo.
Hello.
Wie? Wie?
Wie
Geht's
geht's
dir?
dir?
Ja.
Okay.
det
Det. Hur är det
läget?
läget? Hur är det läget?
Det är bra.
How do you say cool? Cool. How do you say cool? How do you say cool in Swedish? Hello. Wie geht's dir?
Ja.
Yes.
On Slovakia, we used cool to.
Du. Oh, I get it. I understand.
It's basically the same, but instead of a C, it's a K. So it's like cool.
That's so cool. I love Austria. Everyone I meet from Austria is so nice.
Yes.
How do you say thank you? How do you say thank you? How do you say thanks?
Ďakujem.
Tack.
Oh my gosh. What? Okay, wait. Tak.
Ďakujem.
Yakujem. How do you say hello?
Yeah.
What's something I could say to a Swedish person and then they would be super impressed? They're like, whoa!
Ahoj.
Ahoy.
Hey, how are you doing?
Okay.
And that's like,
Yo, that's cool. Okay. Ahoy! I love that! Alright.
hur mår du?
Hey,
So it's like,
hur mår du?
hur? Oh, yeah, that's good.
Hey, hur mår du?
Yeah, that's pretty accurate, I guess.
Yes!
Nice to meet you.
You
Bye.
too. Have fun in Austria.
Bye.
Oi.
I love you, America, California.
Obrigado! Hello, Latvia. Hello!
Hi.
Nigeria. What's up?
I'm alright.
I'm from California.
Oh.
Can-
That's nice.
Whoa! Nigeria, bro! Alright.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
How's
you.
everything? I'm David.
David.
David here.
I'm Nathan.
Yes. What's your
Nathan,
name?
man.
Nathan. Nice to meet you, Nathan.
Can you teach me some Latvian? Can you teach me your
You want
language?
to learn
Yeah.
the language. Which of them?
Which
We
one?
have lots of languages in Nigeria.
The one that you speak.
Okay, but we have three major.
Okay.
Okay, personally, I speak Yoruba language,
Okay.
and we have three major languages. That's the Hausa language, the Igbo language, and the Yoruba language.
Say ciao.
Ciao. That's hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Say Vadaviksna.
So you want to learn like Yoruba?
Yeah, I do. Varavigna.
Yeah. That's rainbow.
Varavigna.
You want to say hello in Yoruba language? It's contextual.
Cool.
Example now, if it's in the morning, and I want to actually say hello in the morning, I will say ekaro.
Akaro.
Ekaro.
Ekaro.
Correct. Very, very good.
How do you say thank you in Latvian?
If I want to greet in the afternoon, I will say ekasa.
Ekasa.
Say it again. Ekasa. Very good.
Paldies.
Paldies.
Yes.
Paldies. Oh, that's it. Paldies.
Then in the night, I want to greet somebody. Now, those are methods of greeting or reaching out to people. In the night, I say ekale.
Ekale.
Very good.
How do you say cool?
Kruz.
So yeah, what did I say? What was the morning?
I don't know.
Email the Really nice, really nice, really nice. You tried.
I tried.
What?
Groots.
Yeah.
Wow. Ekale something?
No. Ekaro.
Ekaro. Okay, close. Your English is so good.
Oh, thank you.
Both of you. Why is it so good? Why is your English so good? Close?
Very good.
Yeah,
What of the afternoon?
Ekaro. Okay. I don't know.
Try that.
Okay.
Give it a try.
Okay, so Ekaro. I don't know.
Should I remind you? Should I?
Yeah, remind me.
The afternoon is Ekason.
Akaso. Okay.
Ekason.
Where
When
was
I
you?
was like 7 or 6, I watched a lot of cartoons and movies, and I learned from them.
Yes.
Wow. That is crazy. That's so cool.
Ekaro, Ekason, and Ekale.
Oh,
Do you
okay.
get it?
Ekaro,
Very
Ekaso, Ekale. Do you want
You're
to?
so nice.
You too. Do
I
you?
found your YouTube.
Yeah.
Nate Adventures. No problem. I will be glad to be part of it.
Cool. Thanks, David. Dude, you are the nicest person I've met on here.
I'm gonna subscribe now.
Okay. Thank you.
And personally myself, actually, you are actually one of the nicest I've actually met today also.
Thank you, David. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I'll check it out. Nate Adventures.
Yeah, native
YouTube
Adventures.
channel.
Yeah. What do you speak besides English?
Russian.
Wow. Okay. Hello, Croatia. Hi. Can you help me learn Russian?
Yo,
What's up, man?
What's up? So we got spasiba, right? That's thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Can you teach me some Polish? Как дела?
Mm-hmm.
Can you teach me Croatian? Mama? Papa?
Mm-hmm. Of course, yes.
Yes! What's something that if I said to a Russian, they would be really impressed? How do you say what's up in Croatian?
Я обожаю Россию.
Oh my god. Okay. Alright. How do I say what's up? Я обожаю
Россию.
Россию.
Mm-hmm.
What's that mean?
Cute.
Shtaima. What does that mean?
I do love Russia. Что там у тебя? Что там
Что там?
у тебя?
У тебя. Что там?
No, it's good.
That was okay. Okay. Yeah. How do you say friend? Friend.
Приятель.
Shtaima. Привет.
Приятелю.
Приятелю.
Okay. Приятелю. Я обожаю Russia. How do you say cool? Did I already ask that? Cool.
Файня.
Fine. Okay.
Я обожаю Россию.
Я
Say it again.
обожаю Russia.
Mm-hmm, yeah, that's good.
How do you say thank you?
Хвала.
How do you say
Хвала.
halala? Friend.
Приятель.
Shigachen.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
Yo. Hello. Denmark. Hello. Hi.
Yeah, from Greece.
Cool. Hey, can you teach me? Can you teach me Greek?
What?
Can you teach me how to say what's up?
Yes.
I already knew Malaka. Great. How do you say good? Good. How do you say good? Galo. How do you say cool in Danish? Like
Sight.
wait. How do you say?
Sight.
Sight. It's nice to meet you, Malaka. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Yeah. Can you teach me Macedonian? And arigato is thank you.
Arigato is thank you.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Arigato.
Yes, man.
Alright, how do you say what's up? What's up?
O genki desu ka?
Oh!
Kakosi.
Kakosi. O genki desu ka?
Yes, that's good.
Yeah. Kumusta ka? Hello.
Hello.
Lithuania. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. King Malaysia. King Malaysia. Hi Malaysia.
Hey, Malaysia.
Hey. I know salamat. I know mesa, kama. Can you teach me some Lithuanian? Can you teach me Malaysian?
Why do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Friends. How do you say what's up? How do you say cool?
Sejuk.
Sichu.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, sichu. How do you say yes?
Pipsakas.
Keep suckers. How are you?
Apa kabar? Oh.
Uh-oh. Okay. How do you say cool?
Garas.
Bulgaris.
I think you're half Filipino and American.
No.
You do?
I'm not. Can you teach me Finnish? Can you teach me some Afrikaans?
Hi.
Hello, Turkey. How do you say what's up? What's up in Finnish? What's up?
200.
Whoa. Okay, that's a little bit harder. Miten meni. Miten mani? Miten mani? Miten mani? Matu mani mani? How do you say what's up? How do I say friend? How do I say friend?
Naber.
Naber. 100.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
yeah. All right. Kaveri. Whoa, that's so cool. How do you say cool? Havala. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Havala. Yes. Okay.
From Punjab.
Oh, you speak Punjabi? You're from Albania.
Yes, bro, yeah, from Albania.
Teach me Punjabi.
What kind of language you want to learn? Albanian?
Yeah.
Hi, hello.
Okay.
In Punjabi, Sashikal.
Soshikal. Hello.
Përshëndetje.
Whoa! How do you say thank you? And then how do you say thank you?
Tanwad.
Ooh.
Faleminderit.
Oh man, that's hard. Tan devala. Fagnuminderit.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Thanks, David. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Alright, take care.
All right,
Have
you
a
too.
nice time.
You too. Bye.
That guy was so nice. He was